You Can Do It presents DIY apartment decor. Renting an apartment doesn't mean you have to settle for bland walls and cookie-cutter decor. With a bit of creativity and some apartment-friendly DIY projects, you can transform your rental into a stylish and personalized haven without risking your security deposit. Let's dive into some practical and damage-free DIY ideas that are perfect for renters. Peel and stick wallpaper is a game changer for renters. It's available in countless designs and patterns, allowing you to add a bold accent wall or a subtle backdrop without the hassle of traditional wallpaper. The best part? It's easy to apply and even easier to remove when it's time to move out. Wall decals are another fantastic option for adding personality to your space. Whether you want to create a whimsical nursery, a modern living room, or a motivational home office, decals come in all shapes and sizes. They're simple to apply and won't damage your walls when it's time to take them down. For a boho chic vibe, consider hanging large pieces of fabric or tapestries. You can secure them with command hooks or tension rods, avoiding any nail holes. This is a great way to introduce texture and color into your room without permanent changes. Maximize your vertical space with floating shelves that use command strips. These shelves can hold lightweight items like small plants, picture frames, and decorative pieces. Make sure to follow the weight guidelines on the command strips for a secure setup. Over-the-door organizers are perfect for adding storage without taking up floor space. Use them in the bathroom for toiletries, in the kitchen for spices, or in the bedroom for shoes and accessories. They're versatile and easily removable when you move out. Opt for freestanding storage solutions like bookcases and shelving units. These pieces are not only practical, but also add a decorative element to your room. Arrange them against walls to create a built-in look without any permanent installation. Give your old furniture a fresh look with slipcovers or fabric overlays. Choose fabrics that match your style and simply drape or fit them over your existing pieces. No sewing skills are required for most options, making this a quick and easy upgrade. Modular furniture is incredibly versatile and perfect for small spaces. Pieces can be rearranged and reconfigured to fit your needs, whether you're hosting guests or creating a cozy reading nook. Look for items that can serve multiple functions. Washi tape is a renter's best friend. Use it to decorate the edges of shelves, frames, or even furniture. It's available in a variety of colors and patterns, and it peels off without leaving any residue. Get creative and add a pop of color wherever you like. Lighting enhancements can really transform the mood and style of your apartment. Let's start with plug-in wall sconces. Add a touch of elegance to your apartment with plug-in wall sconces. These lights don't require hard wiring and can be easily mounted using adhesive hooks. Place them beside your bed or sofa for an instant style upgrade. Moving on to string lights and LED strips, these options are perfect for creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Hang string lights around your bed, along the walls, or across the ceiling. LED strips can be placed under cabinets or around mirrors for a modern touch. Finally, consider lampshade upgrades. Upgrade your lampshades with a DIY makeover. You can paint them, cover them with fabric, or add embellishments like ribbons and beads. This simple project can completely change the look of your lighting fixtures. Kitchen and bathroom updates can be quite simple yet impactful. Start with removable backsplashes. Transform your kitchen or bathroom with peel and stick tile backsplashes. These tiles are easy to install and come in various designs, from classic subway tiles to intricate patterns. They're also water resistant, making them ideal for these areas. Next, consider hardware swaps. Swapping out cabinet handles and knobs is a quick way to update your kitchen or bathroom. Choose stylish hardware that reflects your taste, and be sure to store the original pieces so you can replace them when you move out. Lastly, don't overlook shower upgrades. Enhance your bathroom experience with a new shower head. Many modern shower heads are easy to install and don't require any tools. You can also add non-permanent shower storage solutions like suction cup caddies to keep your space organized. Green touches can bring life to your apartment with indoor plants. Choose low-maintenance varieties and get creative with containers. Use anything from mason jars to teapots to create unique planters that match your decor. Hanging planters are a great way to add greenery without taking up floor space. Use command hooks or adhesive hooks to hang them from the ceiling or walls. DIY macrame plant hangers add a trendy touch and are easy to make. Start a small herb garden on your windowsill. Herbs like basil, mint, and parsley are easy to grow indoors and provide fresh flavors for your cooking. Use small pots or repurposed containers to create your garden. Personalized decor can make your space truly yours. Start with photo and art displays. Create a gallery wall with photos and art using command hooks. Mix and match frames, clipboards, and even washi tape to display your favorite pieces. This allows for easy updates and a personalized touch. Welcome guests with a customized doormat. Use stencils and outdoor paint to create a design that reflects your personality. Durable materials like coir will ensure your doormat lasts. Lastly, update your cushions and pillows with new covers. This is an easy way to refresh your decor for different seasons or trends. Look for easy sew or no-sew cover options to make the change effortless. DIY projects are a fantastic way to personalize your rental apartment without causing any damage. With these apartment-friendly ideas, you can make your space truly feel like home. Have fun experimenting with different projects, and don't forget to share your creations with us. Remember, always check your lease agreement for any restrictions and prioritize solutions that are easy to remove when you move out. Happy decorating!